Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Hub Benci Ahmad Yusri from the Product Development Department. So today I will be implementing by innovation project the Smart Microwave. This product was developed as part of our effort to produce more efficient, safe and user-friendly home appliances. The microwave is not just a cooking appliance, but a smart system that combines automation, smart sensor, and integration. Next, the smart microwave is designed with three main objectives. The first of which is enhance cooking efficiency to automation that adjust time and temperature automatic. And number two is save electrical energy using intelligent sensor that control heating level based on food type. And lastly, ensure use safety with automatic lock system and instant stop function when the door is open. So now I will explain the smart microwave consists of 8 components. So number 1, magnetron, convert electrical energy into high frequency microwave. The role of this wave penetrates the food and causes a molecules to vibrate, producing internal heat that cook the food quickly. So number 2 is waveguard, a metal channel that conduct microwave from the magnetron to the cooking chamber. So ensure that the energy reaches the food efficient without leaking out. So number 3 is cooking chamber, a closed space where the food is placed. Designed for with a metal material to reflect microwave, ensuring that they are spread widening the space. So number 4 is tertumber or tray for rotate the food during cooking. So help the food receive microwave from various angle, reducing uneven cooking. So number 5 is control panel. Use interface for setting time, power and cooking mode. For provide easy and user-friendly controller with the physical button or modern touch screen. So number 6, microcontroller unit, MCU, the brain of the system that process data from sensor for control the magnetron, fan and tertumber based on user input and sensor reading. So number 7 is temperature and humidity sensor for detect the condition of the food during cooking. So allow the system to automatically adjust power and time, saving energy and preventing food from overcooking. So lastly is power supply, convert AC electrical current to the appropriate voltage for the magnetron and other component for provide a stable power supply so that the system function consistent. So now I will explain about each visual diagram for microwave. The smart microwave work through a combination of automatic control system, smart sensor and main electronic component. The process begins when the user sets a cooking mode to a user-friendly control panel either in the form of physical button or a modern touch screen. This input will be sent to the control system as the main command. So next, temperature and humidity sensor to install it in the cooking chamber will detect the condition of the food in real time, such as humidity level or internal temperature. The collected data is sent to the microcontroller MCU, which are as brain of the system. The MCU process the information and adjust the magnetron power as need, ensuring that the food is cooked evenly without wasting energy. So the magnetron produce microwave that are directed to waveguide into the cookie crumble. So with the tumbler rotate to ensure that the food receive wave from various angles. At the same time, the cooling fan work to maintain the temperature of the internal components so that they do not overheat. And the interlock safety system will stop operation if the door is open. So this entire process make the smart microwave more efficient, safe and practical. Thus improve the user experiences in daily cooking.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Haikal. I am from electrical department. I have one question. How does this microwave save electrical energy compared to other conventional models?
Thank you, Ahmad, for the question. And the answer to this question is that smart microwave oven use temperature and humidity sensor to detect the condition of the food. And the microcontroller automatically adjust the power level, preventing heating and reducing electrical consumption. That's all.
My name is Muhammad Khalid Zubahirizan. I'm from Safety and Quality Department. Okay. Is this microwave safe for children and general household use?
Thank you, Akli, for the question. Yes, it includes a safety interlock system that stop operation when the door is open. It also has an automatic lock feature to prevent accidental activation.
Hello, I'm Haikal from Department IT and Automation Department. Can this microwave can be integrated with a smart home system or mobile device?
Thank you, Haikal, for the question. Of course, this microwave oven will come with Wi-Fi connect to which allow use to monitor and control cooking setting remote via mobile apps.